Welcome to our training video on the Leads module in Zoho CRM. In this video, we will explore the essential functionalities that will help you effectively manage your leads. By the end of this session, you will know how to create a lead, assign tasks, set up meetings, and email your leads directly from the platform. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to create a lead in Zoho CRM. To begin, navigate and click on the Leads module at the top of your dashboard. Here, you will see an option to add a new lead. Click on the Create Lead button and fill in the necessary details such as the lead's name, company, if applicable, and contact information. Once you've entered all relevant data, simply click Save to finalize the creation of your lead. Remember, capturing accurate lead information is crucial for effective follow-ups. Next, let's dive into how to create a task for your lead. Tasks are vital for keeping track of your interactions and follow-ups. To create a task, select the lead you want to work with and look for the Activities section. Click Add Task and fill in fields like the task name, due date, and priority level. You can also assign the task to yourself or a team member for accountability. Once completed, hit Save. Organizing tasks this way ensures that you stay on top of your leads and never miss an opportunity to connect. Now let's set up a meeting with the lead. Meetings are a great way to establish a personal connection and discuss details in depth. To schedule a meeting, select the lead from your list and look for the Activities section. Click Add Meeting and enter the meeting details, including date, time, and location. It's also helpful to add a description to guide the sales rep during the meeting. After filling out the necessary information, click Save. This step ensures that every interaction is planned and purposeful. Lastly, let's explore how to email your lead directly through Zoho CRM. Communication is key in nurturing leads, and emailing directly from the CRM can save you time. From the Leads page, look for the Email option. Click on it, and a new window will pop up for you to compose your message. You can personalize your email, attach files, and even choose a predefined email template to enhance professionalism. Once you're satisfied with the message, click Send. This integration keeps your communications organized and all in one place. In conclusion, mastering the Leads module in Zoho CRM is integral for optimizing your sales process. By effectively creating leads, assigning tasks, scheduling meetings, and sending emails, you can significantly enhance your productivity and lead management capabilities. Thank you for watching this training video, and we hope you feel more equipped to use the Leads module efficiently.